Good morning students. Today we are going to next topic of the chapter 6 algebraic expression and identity second of class 8th. In this video we will learn about the division of a monomial by a monomial. Let's start. Today's topic is division of a monomial by a monomial. First of all, we will know about the monomial. Simply, monomial is an algebraic expression consisting only single term. For example, like this 15x cube y square, this is a monomial. 5x square y, this is also monomial. 24x4 y cube z square, it is also a monomial. 4x square y square is also a monomial. So these are the monomials, and in this video we are going to explain how to divide a monomial term by a monomial term. For explaining this division, we take some examples. Example number 1. Example number 1 is divide 15x cube y square by 5x square y. In this question, there are two monomials. First is 15x cube y square and the second monomial is 5x square y. So in this question we divide 15x cube y square by 5x square y. Let's start. First we write this question in the form of numerator upon denominator. Fifteen x cube y square divided by 5x square y. First we write this in the form of p by q, then solve it. Before solving, first we write constant term divided by constant term. 15 divided by 5 multiply by x cube by x square, x cube upon x square multiply by y square upon y. Before dividing, we can arrange the term constant by constant, same variable by same variable, x cube by x square like y square by y. And now we will use law of exponent, that is law of exponent. Which law? The law x to the power m divided by x to the power n is equals to x to the power m minus n. In this question we are using this law of exponent. With the help of this law of exponent, we can divide monomial by monomial. Let's start. Then divided by 15 divided by 5, it becomes 5 3 is 15. It gives 3. Now x cube upon x square. In this step we use law of exponent, x to the power m divided by x to the power n, then powers are subtracted. Then it becomes x cube minus 2, x to the power 3 minus 2, because numerator power of the variable is 3 and the denominator power is the variable is 2. Now by subtracting, on dividing, we can subtract the power. Next step, same here. In this step we will also use the law of exponent. It becomes y to the power 2 minus 1. Here the power of the variable is 2 and here power of variable is 1. So we divide. On dividing, power of the variable is subtracted. It becomes y to the power 2 minus 1. Now it becomes 3x. 3 minus 2 is 1, then 3x. Y to the power 2 minus 1 is y, and 3x y. This is the answer. Is that clear? Come on to the next question. In this question, we divide minus 24 x4 y cube z square by 4x square y square. Now we can write as in the form of py cube. It becomes minus 24 x4 y cube z square divided by 4x square y square. Now arrange the term. Minus 24 upon 4, constant divided by constant, same variable, that is x4 divided by x square, y cube divided by y square into z square. Now divide 4 6 are 24, it becomes minus 6. Here we use the law of exponent, then next to the power 4 minus 2 is 2 y. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2 is y, and z square. So this is the answer. Is that clear? Come on to the next question. That is minus 52. Divide minus 52 a to the power 5 b cube c square c4 by minus 2 a cube b c square. Now first we write this question in the form of p by q. It becomes minus 52 a5 b cube c4 divided by minus 2 a cube b c square. Now arrange the term. It becomes minus 52 upon minus 2 into a5 upon a cube b cube upon b and c4 upon c square. Minus to minus cancel. 52 divided by 2, it becomes 26. Now it gives 26. Here we use the law of exponent. In numerator variable is a to the power 5 and denominator power of a is 3. Then according to law of exponent, powers are subtracted. It becomes a to the power 5 minus 3, that is 2. Here also we use the law of exponent. b3 upon b, it becomes b square. c4 upon c square, it becomes c square. This is the answer. Let us take one more example. The next example is divide minus 125 a to the power 5 b4 c square d cube by minus 5 a square b square c d. First we write it as in the form of numerator upon denominator. It becomes minus 125 a5 b4 c square t cube divided by minus 5 a square b square c d. Now we can write as constant by constant, means 125 divided by minus 5. Again a5 upon a square into b4 upon b square into c square upon c into d cube upon d. Now divided, minus to minus cancel. 125 divided 5, it becomes 25. Now we can write it as 25. Here numerator is a to the power 5 and denominator is a square. Bases are same, then powers are subtracted, then it becomes a to the power 3. 5 minus 2, that is 3. Again b4, in numerator variable is b, power is 4, then b4, same variable is here, b square. On dividing, powers are subtracted, it becomes b square. Again c square by c, by using law of exponent it becomes c, and dq upon d, it becomes d square. This is an example answer. So by this method we can solve lots of questions of division of a monomial by a monomial. In the next video we will explain division of a polynomial by a monomial. Thank you, students.